Did you know that sometimes the people we love most find ways to take care of us even after they're gone? When she opened her 2023 Spotify Wrapped, she discovered something that made her cry tears of both sadness and joy. Her music app had been playing a playlist called For Our Survivor all year long. But here's the thing, she didn't create this playlist. Her mom, brother, and sister had made it together in the weeks before they passed away. They had carefully chosen 127 songs just for her. Gospel songs from Mama for the really hard days, hip-hop tracks from her brother to help her stay strong, and beautiful R&B songs from her sister to remind her to love herself. The most amazing part? They had scheduled new songs to appear every month through 2025. Even though they're in heaven now, they're still sending her musical hugs exactly when she needs them most. That's the power of love that never dies.